Day 4 began with a burst of energy and excitement as our young learners stepped into another day of discovery at EBNAPS. The morning kicked off with a short evaluation session, giving students the chance to apply what they've learned and show how far they've come in just a few days.
1 and 7. 1 and 7. 1 and 7.
And after sharpening their minds, it was time to awaken their creativity. Under the guidance of their teachers, the children were introduced to a simple but useful project: how to create a 6-slot toothbrush stand using everyday materials. This hands-on activity helped build their focus, creativity, and fine motor skills.
So we have 6 cups without the bottom and 1 with the bottom. Can you see? Emmanuel, how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is this? What is this? Sit down. What does it do? Very good. It puts things together. It glues things together. So we are going to use the super glue to glue the cups together. Stick. Very good. Hold it till it sticks. Hold it firm.
At EBNAPS, every day is a journey toward excellence in learning, in creativity, and in character. Our learners are not just reading and writing, they're building, thinking, and growing.